Hey, girl. Hey, girl.
And then these are steak tacos.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jade Nadaree, and on here I post fashion, college, and lifestyle related content. So if you're into that, make sure you down below and subscribe. But I'm back in the bathroom because I'm at the airport. It's currently 9 o'clock. I'm gonna be in Florida for 7 days.
Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Why this make you feel like though? Why this make you feel like though? Why this make you?
I'm about to try ZAXBY'S for the first time, just for YouTube. Tastes like something I've had before, but the sauce tastes good. I give it a 8 out of 10. This sauce tastes like cane sauce, so I don't know who stole who idea, but someone is robbing. I just made it to my cousin's house. I think she's at work, so I'm going to sleep. I'll see you guys when I'm up. I don't know what time.
Many hours later.
I'm finally up from my nap. It's been a couple hours. I was editing a video, and now I'm outside editing this video. You guys are already gonna see it by the time it come out. It's my birthday vlog. But yeah, I'm editing. By the time you guys watch this video, this video will have been out for like weeks. But if you haven't seen the series 19 on the 19th, the Golden Birthday series, what are you doing? Go watch it.
Come wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back.
We're out to eat with the family this morning. It's day 2 in Tampa, and we're currently at KEKE'S. But I have to bring my book back because I got to post a video in like 30 minutes. Look at me being productive and responsible with YouTube.
They brought out these wiki sticks that you're supposed to make stuff with. This is what Tasia made.
Never, never, never. 24 karat ring.
Looks familiar. Let's see what I'm about to create. Stay tuned. This is the ring that Jade made me. It's too cute. This is the food. It has finally came. I got home fries, turkey sausage, and pancakes.
Broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Tell them who you got the glue, who you got the glue, who you got the glue. Come broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, girl.
We're at this place called Eggerson Lagoon, and it's just like a bunch of obstacle courses inside the water. And I've been wanting to go here since like 2018, and we finally made it. They like do this like in different parts of different states. They had one like close to Chicago, but it wasn't in Chicago. But I didn't get to go a long time ago. But we're here now, so I'm gonna film, of course. It's so pretty out here, guys. This is not a real beach, but it looks like it. It's just a regular pool with some fake sand. We're about to get on a blue slide. It's free here. I have on my water case, so this is what is just dangling around.
I'm about to go down the slide. Hey.
Guys, let's go! Okay guys, I gotta leave y'all here because they said if something falls into the water, we can't go get it, so it's lost forever. And if my phone falls into the water, that's 2.5 videos that I'm gonna have gone, and I just can't have that. So I'll tell you guys how the experience goes, but we're basically getting on this obstacle course. We're getting on this obstacle course, and we're just, oh God. And we're gonna be doing that for 40 minutes. Our 45 minutes is up, and that thing took me out. I feel like I was in Wipeout. If I was in Wipeout, I would lose. I would not have no money. I'd get wiped out on that first thing where they have to go on those little balls and jump. I would be done for. But we're about to leave. That was like 45 minutes. We got to be on there for 45 minutes for $11. And yeah, it was really fun though. I'm definitely not gonna make it into Wipeout though. Definitely wouldn't make it, but that was a lifelong dream of mine to be on Wipeout. But we see the outcome.
Anytime you're ready, girl, over here with the face make it fly. In a rain, it make you feel high like. Like you, how you feel? What this make you feel like you? What this make you feel like you? What this make you feel like you? What this make you?
This is amazing.
What this make you feel like you? What this make you feel like you?
I'm not gonna
The food is here. This is street corn, and then these are steak tacos.
Get the burrito.
Maria with the sauce on it, and we will tell you how we like it. TT.
There you go.
And my TT, she got bang bang chicken with some fries.
Guys, I forgot my little light at home, so I have to use this. But we're at this place called Amateur Works in Tampa, and it's kind of, if you're from Chicago, if you've ever been to Chicago, it's kind of like, what's that place called? The Taste of Chicago. It's kind of like that, where they have like just a bunch of different restaurants, little small like setups, and they just have really good food. And it's a lot of different restaurants: pizza, barbecue, Korean food, Mediterranean, Mexican food, a bunch of stuff.
Oh God, why is it that they got this 6,000 square foot apartment house? And I'm staying in this 1,000 square foot apartment. Because you won't even keep it clean, don't they, Holy Ghost?
The service was good.
Church, praise Jesus, blessed.
So now we're at this place called Burger Culture. It's actually a truck, like a food truck. So we're about to eat burgers here and see how they taste. I'll tell you guys how they taste.
Dancing, she love to that. Girl, go to the back, come wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, okay, broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Girl, you know you got the glue, know you got the glue, know you got the glue. Come broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, girl. Girl, your body hotter than a suntan. You make me turn up at attention. You're pretty like the melodies in the song, plus the cooking where your body you make your body dry.
I had extra
This
stuff on
is
too.
the donut burger.
You know, I don't.
And this is the Philly steak burger.
They didn't come out yet? No.
This man driving like he's trying to hit me. Giving the girls danger.
What's the name of this one?
I think it's called the mac. I don't know. The mac
The
and cheese.
mac and cheese.
The Mac Daddy.
Broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, okay, broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off.
So guys, we're at the Airbnb. I'm gonna give you guys a small little tour. This is
I mean, not the bathroom. One of the rooms is like a Mickey Mouse thing. We have a, oh gosh, I'm crazy. We have a bathroom over here. A closet. This is a big living room, dining room area. It's too cute. Yeah, couch. Oh, this is the kitchen. Really cute. If you feed them, they will come. Definitely, I will. Got some chairs. Refrigerator. I'll show you guys upstairs really quickly because I have to go help get the bags. Here's the laundry room. I'll tell you guys like the place that we're at. All the places, like all the Airbnbs aren't the same, but they're similar. Here's the big bathroom. This bathroom, oh, I was so scared. I didn't know what that was. This is a big bathroom. Walk-in shower tub, 2 sinks, Jade again. And this is the big room. This room is so cute. Got a little seat room, whatever it's called, flowers. What else? Happy home. This is the little family room again. And then we have another kids room. Star Wars theme. Bunk beds. This is cute, these bunk beds. That'll probably be the boys' room. The girls will probably take one of those other rooms, I'm not sure. Here's another bathroom, looks just like the other bathroom, honestly. Closet. Here's another room. This probably be the girls' room. Because it's only like 3, well, it's 2, it's 3 of us, so probably not. I don't know. We'll see. This is the other big room downstairs. This is us, you know, shout out to the show. Who's another family over there? They tea. They lit. Here's another bathroom. This is another walk-in shower. Wow, I really look rough. And then you come out here, and this is the pool. Oh, they lit. Oh, they got a little chair. Pig poop. You guys, Jade found a little game room in here that we've been looking for. It has a table. It's Marvel's Avengers themed. Got a little TV, and then the hockey board table, and then foosball. We found the game room. We found the club. Shop. Everybody!
Guys, that's the end of the tour for this Airbnb that we'll be at for like 3 days for the rest of the trip. They're doing a water fight inside of the water, which is kind of confusing. The food just got done. I did not record it, guys, but I was starving. So we got some chicken. The food is finally done. We got chicken, beans, spaghetti, hot dogs, burgers, chicken, bread. It's gonna be brownies with cookies and Oreo cookies, chocolate chips. And Jay's making the brownies. Made it to the fireworks. We're at the fireworks show. Well, it honestly just ended. We came so late, but they found fireworks in the street, so we'll see them all night.
They live in Chicago. Black people believe in fireworks. Yeah, she heard me say TT put it in reverse. But all that other stuff. She said TT put it in reverse.
He recorded, he's like, hey, we brought the city out for our fireworks. He recorded on Facebook Live. Oh, this is chocolate. So this is the brownie that Jade made. It's Oreos in here, the cookies is in here, and then there's brownies at the top. And yeah, they already bit into it, but it's Oreo crumbles at the top as well. Anything we want, I'm tired, we get the chance. Everybody gonna celebrate. See y'all in the morning. It's day 5 and we're outside of this store called Mad Rag. It's early in the morning. We're supposed to be going out to eat, but it's a long line right now, so we gotta wait. Come on, Jaylee. Come inside the store. Why are you waiting outside?
I don't remember Mad.
But we going inside Mad Rag. It's supposed to be like Discovery, but even cheaper. I got a couple things. Stay tuned for a back to school haul.
0.1 mile.
We are currently at Metro Diner. We're about to finally get seated.
Hey, quick. What you getting? Yeah, y'all look and see what y'all want. Look at the menu, Jay. Y'all look. What's good, breakfast or lunch?
Guys, the food came. This is chicken and then, this is chicken and then this is waffles and then it's like some type of syrup.
That's what you get on your waffle?
I just left the Nike clearance outlet. My hair looks so crazy. I'm getting so tired of this weave because it's so hot outside. But I got some pair of shoes. Again, stay tuned for a back to school haul. Okay guys, I'm at the airport. It's the end of the Florida vlog. We're on our way to Houston, so that will be the next vlog. I'll be in Houston. Hopefully by the time Houston vlog ends, the eyelashes will be off. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your mom, your auntie, your Floridians, your Tampians, your people who live in Orlando. If you plan on going to these places, you can watch this video and find out some places that you want to go. But I'm on my way to Houston. They're about to board, so I'll see you guys when I start that vlog.